Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys this look. I apologize for the sound of my voice. I feel like I'm coming down with something. My eyes are watery. Everything's wrong right now at the moment. Anyways, you guys, this video I was supposed to upload it a day before New Year's, but I didn't because life got in the way. So I am just laying down a thin layer of clear acrylic. By the way, all the products that I use in this video, well, most, will be listed down below in the description box. If you guys want to know what nail tips I'm using, the ones in natural color, they're from eBay. And then the one in the pinky is from enailcouture. They're the Russian stilettos, aka easy coffin, whatever you guys want to call them. So I did use Milky Way from enailcouture, and I am using this beautiful glitter that comes in the set of tones. It's called the Funky Lights. So I decided that it was not too bright of a white for me, so I decided to go ahead and mix it with Young Nails Extra White and a little bit of clear acrylic and just add more glitter. So that's my little marble nail on my pinky. Now on the ring finger, I really didn't know what I was gonna do. I was just doing a little experiment, because when I went in with, what was it, Milky Way, it was just not like opaque, like it wasn't what I really wanted. So then I decided to just go ahead and add glitter in the center and then kind of overlaying that Milky Way on top to kind of make it like frosty, or I don't know if you guys get what I'm going for or what I'm trying to say, but this is what I don't know, I was everywhere with this finger right here. And what is it, the pointer, not the pointer finger, the middle finger will be just a plain white. I did mix it with clear acrylic and Young Nails as well, and then on the pointer one is a white and then some glitter as well. I do want to apologize. I do want to mention that for some reason my camera stopped recording when I was doing the 3D, so that little part of the section of the video just got lost. So I do apologize for that, but I decided to still upload this video because, I mean, if you guys want a separate video of how I do my 3D, just focus on that. Let me know down below in the comment sections. I would try to do my best. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had a best holiday, Christmas, and 2020 New Year's Eve, which is a new decade, which is, wow, it's unbelievable. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I suggest you do, because I tend to upload all my pictures or works that I do before I even upload videos and stuff like that. So that's about it. If you liked and enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and share. And then if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit that little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. Bye.